folks, welcome back to another edition of Getting to Know Glenholme. It's wonderful to see you all. We're enjoying the last sort of hurrah of autumn here. We have some winter weather in the forecast, but it's beautiful fall season up here in Washington. We wanted to share with you today a really exciting gift that we received here at Glenholme recently, courtesy of our student council. Now, some of you might know that we're working on a STEAM, Science, Technology, Engineering, Arts, and Mathematics education campaign that's in its second phase here. And our student council members, in conjunction with the president, Ben, and our faculty advisor, Ms. Thoralt, did an exceptional job raising funds, purchasing, and actually donating to the school a really exciting device, a 3D printer. I'm going to send you right over with our president of the Student Council, Ben, some of our faculty, and you can check out our new 3D printer, courtesy of the Glenholme Student Council, folks. Let's go check it out.
Hi, I'm Ms. Thoralt. I am advisor to the Student Council along with Ms. Brown. And it is my pleasure today to introduce Ben. He is the Student Council President this year, and he has a special announcement and presentation to make. Ben?
Hello, Glenholme students. Behind me, or next to me, is our brand new 3D printer. This all kind of started last year when Ms. Murphy proposed to the Student Council that we purchase a STEM-based gift for the student body. So after a lot of discussion, we eventually decided on a 3D printer. This 3D printer was bought entirely using money that was raised by the Student Council over the past couple of years. It is our pleasure to present this gift to Mr. Cipriani, Dean of Students. You can expect to all be able to use this printer quite soon. We hope you enjoy it, and thanks for all your continuous support. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome, sir.
On behalf of Glenholme, we are very grateful for the Student Council's generous gift of our brand new 3D printer, and we're very much looking forward to continuing the implementation of our STEM program throughout this academic school year.
Folks, thank you so much for stopping in. Huge shout out to the Glenholme Student Council for their most generous and thoughtful gift. And remember, it's another great 3D printer day here at Glenholme. Take care and we'll see you soon, folks. All right, take care, folks. We'll see you soon.